things you see online, the way they do them, those things that deceive you, give you sleepless nights, are not always the way they seem, right? And even if they are, there is nothing wrong with you. Your own journey is not inferior. It is not lesser. It doesn't make you lesser human, right? Just because only because of the habit. So you don't always jump faster than a jump. And that's always happens if you're a shallow thinker. But if you're a deep thinker, you appreciate every step of the way in your journey. You appreciate your experiences, your struggles, you know, those challenges, those rejections, those failures. You appreciate the lessons you are learning from them. You appreciate them and you are ready, building, getting yourself ready for the bigger. You are the one that will sell the business. Tomorrow you might be the CEO of a multi-billion-dollar company or industry of managing people, because you have managed yourself and you've gained the experience and people are seeing it. When they didn't mention I didn't know that people were seeing it. People were seeing it. And one day you receive, just one day you receive that call, or that email, or that inbox. You got to go. That changes your life, your status, your present situation. You have something. You are dropping a bit of you are dropping your grace, you know? You are dropping something about you. You just have something. That was that little platform, that first step that led you to the second. We have to be creative. Oh, we didn't try on social media, not because we had a image, but just their style, right? You're just having this infectious smile. You're just different. Oh my God, it's not describable. The way you talk to people, the way you share those conference materials, right? The way you are collecting them back, the way you are telling them to fill in their questions and know how to communicate. Know when it's your limit. I'm sorry, I offended you. That was not the intention. Be quiet. Know when to do that. It doesn't make you less. If at all, it made you the most powerful of all of them. It made you a subject for them to discuss, to analyze, to examine. Don't be shy that you said sorry. Right? Be proud. Be proud that you are growing. You get attracted to people, personalities, right? Yeah. Make sure that you are mingling with people of like mind. Make sure that the things that are giving you sleepless nights are not the kind of when you think some things, there are things that you will do. The way you will be proud of yourself. I'm telling you, you will be better. You will be better. You are one woman industry, one woman show. You are you. You are an institution. You are an industry. A company, only you. With the highest personality. Further mathematics. Formula louder. You are just you. You are so amazing. You know. You are really amazing. Oh. But you keep fighting to be better. Amazing. You keep fighting to get better. To get to, like you will tell yourself, I'm not going to pick up this. Why? You want them to try. And your respect. Confidence. And you do it in a very respectable manner. Don't be scared of them telling you to leave the institution. Do not. It's not the end of your life. Just because they rejected you, it doesn't mean the world has ended. No one situation ends your life, except it is death. Right? Until you die, you are still alive. So make sure that when you are alive, you are alive. Right? Make sure that sometimes you are just happy. No, people don't get me upset with that. you are not doing those trendy things, it's like you are not normal. That's the truth. So, as you journey, create, carry yourself. When you do that, you will see that any event you go to and come back, even the management will be telling you, thank you. Be clean. Be clean.
Yes.
Be clean. Use the soap and the whatever you are comfortable with. You know you can afford. Do not spend more than you're earning. Don't overspend. You don't owe no one. You are not proving nothing. Nobody has gotten the best award for having the best wedding or wearing the best of ribbons and wearing the best of cream, the person that used the most expensive cream, other than a Guinness Book of Records. Oh, whatever. So use what you can afford. Don't spend more than you're earning. Be clean. That one way, pick your stuff. Stay iron. What you would do is to create your own song. Create your own song after today. Let's use something like we can serve you better or to your utmost satisfaction. So you keep reworking those creative words until they are so powerful, right? So that when you say them, then you don't just say something, they mean something. So powerful, so magnetic. So you must know what you're saying and overlap it. You know, are we taking the example?
Yes.
So we overlap them. That is the only thing that makes it powerful. If I say we are, check it. The excitement and the power has gone.
Yes. To love you, oh baby, I have made up my mind to love you, you and me, in the deepest clouds and in the sunniest day, and through the
and we are confident, bold, cheerful,
loyal, graceful,
and professional.
And we serve with glow and glamour.
We serve with glory and glamour. That was all he said. But you see how powerful it is? That is what I'm talking about. You know how long you have power in your voice. Your magic is your voice. You have depth. You have class. Right? You have charm in your voice, which is to say you have a radio voice. And because you have this voice, I like where they used it. The group was very smart to use it there. So utilize it better. You might not change what you have said, but make sure that now that you know how powerful it is, let it shine through more. Let it fill the hall. Leave the hall with your voice. Let it be echoing. As few people are leaving, their voice is echoing.
You must say every day they pray for you. Oh, in my heart, so there's a permanent place.
help her, how to use, how to shine, how to know how to act in the next place you're going to, how to handle stuff, how to handle people. Read, study, read about those things. They are, even if you type now, how to be the best you will see results. Understand? Go to YouTube, utilize your social media very well and keep improving.